Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today let's talk about Arweave and its token AR. And let's do a AI based forecast for Arweave and its base case, bull case, and bear case starting October 2023 till April 2024. So we'll be using the monthly average price of Arweave since it was launched as an input to the AI model, and also do a little bit of technical analysis and then forecast, communicate the forecast presented by the AI model. Starting May of 2020, you can see that the price was less than $1, that is 71 cents at a monthly average, and the color code associated on this chart was dark green, because the last value that you're seeing on the screen was negative 94. The last value is the Z score, and it compares a month's average price with the average price for the entire time series, and checks if it's under that price and how much is it under by comparing it with the standard deviation and presenting the value. So it was for May 2020, the price at 71 cents was 0.94 standard deviations away from the mean. During it, this AR token has had two major peaks during the last bull run. First in April 2021 with an average price of $27, and that constituted a rally to about 0.64 standard deviation away from the mean to the upside. And the second major peak was in November 2021, during the secondary peak for crypto at around $66. And this particular peak at monthly average of $66 was exactly 3 standard deviations away from the mean for the entire time series. That is 3 standard deviations away from the average price of Arweave till today. And this helps us determine in the future, as we move towards a second bull market sometime in 2024-2025, where could Arweave's next peak be in terms of its next market cycle. Would it be somewhere between 1 standard deviation and 3 standard deviations to consider the diminishing returns for Arweave in the future? Or so stay tuned for that future bull case scenario for Arweave as we move towards 2024-2025 time frame. To stay tuned, please subscribe to the channel and also give this video a like so that you stay on top of the AI based forecast for major cryptos. That's the focus of this channel. So this is the second time we have covered Arweave AR token on our channel. I think the first time was back in August 2023, and we had data till July. Now that we are in October, we have data till September, because we look at entire month, that is entire month of data. We have till September because we are in the middle of October now. So before we go to the AI based forecast, we would like to see check some of the key levels for Arweave. I think in the bear market, first bear market of June 2022, the first bottom for major cryptos, Arweave did hold this $10 level, as it was a support during the summer of 2021 as well. But during the secondary bear market of 2022, that is in around December time frame, November-December time frame, when Bitcoin was at around $15,000, this AR token did break its previous bear market low, and go as low till $8 at a monthly average. During the key thing being in the 2023 year, where most of the major cryptos such as Bitcoin and Ethereum had rallied against its lows of 2022. This AR crypto did, or the Arweave's AR token did not participate in the rally that much. So it did barely have its head peaked out of this $10 resistance in February, but essentially since March this has been putting in lower lows. In June of 2023, it put a low of around $5.58, which also got broken down to the downside at around in August at around $4.75 range. So again, it's this particular crypto is in its process of finding its lows. It has not been able to support any lows that are formed. So it's finding its support against its next lows, and that's the difference between the forecast and actual. So since if you see the forecasted values that we had in August versus the actuals, there hasn't been much difference. They have been, so for example, we had forecasted it to be at around $4.29, whereas the actual was $4 22 cents, and actuals was $4.19. In August we had forecasted it, the white line is the forecast of the AI model and the green is the actuals. In August we had forecasted it to be at the price to be at monthly average of $4.30. The actuals was at $4.80. But now that we are in October, we see that the forecast for September were fairly close. So we had forecasted $4.22, whereas the actuals was $4.20. So with more data, this AI-based forecast tend to be more accurate, but it's no such thing as a financial advice, because um, even though they generally predict the direction, they are I have seen that there has been consistent difference in the magnitude of the directions. For example, if the token were to fall by 5%, the AI model at times predicts a fall to be at 8% or 4%. So it's not exact. That's why it's not financial advice. This is use of historical data to forecast future price action using AI techniques, statistics, etc. So this is the base case scenario which I will be covering now. The AI model for October, it's coming in at less than $4 for the Arweave token. Right now, if you check the price tracking websites such as TradingView, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, the price of Arweave's AR token is slightly less than $4. So the expectations for October per the AI model are less than $4, whereas the actuals so far at a daily level are lower than $4. So let's see how it goes for October. We'll try to cover this token once every 3 months on the channel to just take inventory and check the progress of our AI based forecast. So for October, it's the forecast is at less than $4. This AI model forecasts that sometime in November 2023, that is the next month, AR token at a base case scenario will try to find its bottom at least for the year of 2023, that is at around $3 per the AI model. For December, the forecasted average price is at around $3.32. For January, per the AI model, it's at around little less than $4, January 2024, that is. And in February, again a minor crash to about $3.50. March at around $3.53. We will, as we go more into the end of the year, we will incorporate the quarter 2 based forecast for 2024, that is starting April 2024 till June 2024. We'll, as we move towards the end of year 2023, in the next video we'll add the AI based forecast for Q2 2024. So if you want to check that out, please subscribe to the channel. The second scenario that I would like to present is the bull case. So what if in the later half of Q4 of 2023, that sorry, this year, that the current quarter, that is Q4 2023, what if there is a rally for crypto and risk assets, especially altcoins, and what if AR token, the Arweave's AR token takes part in that rally? What are the theoretical upside or potential upsides in case of a sudden bullish surge for AR? We like to cover all the three scenarios: the base, the bull, and the bear case for a crypto asset. So for October, the theoretical ceiling per the AI model is at $8.50. So that level per the AI model is a great resistance looking at the historical prices. So and again, we are ways off that price action, but This is the resistance. You can consider that as a theoretical ceiling of any potential rally at a daily level or the weekly level for this particular month, now that because we are towards the end of October. For November, this theoretical ceiling is at $9. For December, it's at $8.40. For January, it's at $7.60. February, $6.30. And March at $9. So the theoretical ceiling moves differently from the base case forecast. This is because this particular bull case scenario is created by AI using base case scenario as an input and a multiplier of a z-score of a comparable time in the market cycle, past market cycle, and also one standard deviation away moves to the multiplier to the base case scenario. So just to summarize it, the October theoretical ceiling moves from $8.50 to November at $9, only to crash till about $6.30 in February 2024, and then back to $9 in March. So the third case scenario, the equal and opposite of the bull case scenario, is the bear case scenario created by AI technique, using one standard deviation to the downside, not to the upside, and equally a multiplier of z-score. With all of that in mind, the AI based forecast for October, in case of a bear, extreme bear case for altcoins or AR token in particular, the theoretical floor, and you can consider this as a moving support based on price action. Instead of a trailing support, it's kind of like a leading support or theoretical floor for AR token in case of major crash. For October, it's at $2.13. November is at little under $2. December at $1.75, little over $1.75 for the AI model. January at $1.69. February, it's at 82 cents, which is pretty close to the valuation of AR during its first month, that is May of 2020. So this is the lowest value forecasted by the AI model at around 82 cents. Hope it doesn't go to that, but it's not financial advice. It's just leading theoretical floor, and if let's say we get some type of a crash in the later part of November, December of 2023, the theoretical floor is much higher, to about $2 and between $2 and $1.75. That's the range for theoretical floor. So as we go towards that reality, if we go to that reality, we'll update the model looking at AI based forecasts as well as bottoming patterns, and update the forecast as we did in our second video. You can check the first video, we have added that to the description, and you can see the difference between the base case, bull case and bear case now that we have 2 months of more data. For the March of 2024, per the AI model, the floor comes back to that $2.25. So just to summarize the three cases, the base case that we would like to say, which is the most likely case per the AI model, is coming it at $3 as a support in November 2023. The bull case is if there are any rallies, the theoretical ceiling is between $8 and $6.50. Sorry, $9 and $6.50. The bear case is, depending on when we crash, it could be between $2 and $2.25 and $1.75 as a floor. So hope you like this content. If you do, give this video a like, also subscribe to the channel, and also see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.